Hello guys, I'm Michael here. In today's video I will be discussing how to use myfxbook to upgrade your performance and make your trading much easier. So we will be discussing some stuff that you can use from myfxbook for free. That's the first thing. And the second thing I will be talking about later, how to use myfxbook to help you much more verify the traders that you want to copy afterwards. So first, let's roll a quick intro and then we will go straight to the topic. So firstly, what we need to do is to, of course, go to myfxbook.com website, and when we are on the website itself, then we need to scroll down below and click on this Chrome extension button. This is basically the combined app for the combined extension to your internet web browser, and therefore you have combined all the tools that myfxbook gives you for free to use. So click on that. And you need to, of course, install it to your PC, and it doesn't matter what kind of computer you use, either MacBook or PC, it doesn't matter, it just works on Chrome. So yeah, I already have that installed, so close that. And then after you installed it, you go to the upper right side where you have the icons with your extensions on your browser. So click on that, and right here you have all the things available. So first one is the calendar, but it's not like any other calendar you might think of. So basically how it works is that you have the alert which pops up on the upper right side of your browser every time there is some significant publication of economic data. So you're setting the alert. To the upper right side you have the button with the three dots. You customize it. For example, I did it like here. I have only the alerts for high impact and medium impact events, and I choose the currency pairs which the alerts are concerning, and I set 30 minutes before the event. It will pop up over here on the upper right side, the reminder, and therefore I will know that okay, in 30 minutes there is a publication of some market data. So hit save, and therefore you have alerts set the way you want to. And as you know, on, for example, MetaTrader or any other platform, it's not possible to have this kind of alerts. So basically, most of the time we are not sitting all the time in front of the charts. We do some analysis, we set some alerts for the price and so on, but we know, for example, that there are some events, and in order to not use, I don't know, our phone or any other alarm clock, we are setting an alarm over here, and while we are browsing, I don't know, making some fundamental analysis, checking some indicators, I don't know, we go for China, we want to know how it is unemployment rate, so on and so forth, it doesn't matter. The alert will pop up over here on the upper right side in order to remind us that, hey, in 30 minutes or whatever the time you have set, there is an event that is coming. So yeah, you should prepare yourself and go to the chart and see what changed, how the market is moving, and therefore maybe react to close some positions that you have already opened, or set, I don't know, some pending order or delete the pending order, whatever. It's a very useful tool. So the next tab is sentiment, and basically over here you have the information about the current sentiment on the various assets. So this data are gathered from all of the traders that are logged in myfxbook website, that have their accounts like I do. Over here you can see my profile name, and basically you can connect your account from MetaTrader, for example, to the system, and therefore it gathers information and displays over here. But why it is convenient to connect your account to the myfxbook service, I will talk about it in a minute. But let's go to the sentiment data. So basically you have here the information how the market is positioned right now on various assets. Like here we have, for example, the Euro USD, and right now you can see that 64% of the market is currently shorting this currency pair. The volume, how many lots, so on and so forth. And right here you also have currently the performance of those transactions. So basically those who are in shorts are minus 60 pips, and those who are in longs are minus 323 pips. It is average. So we have further the currency pairs, but you can also customize it yourself. So I don't know, for example, you are trading only on 4 assets at a time, so you are, I don't know, choosing AUD CHF, CAD JPY, Euro JPY, and CAD CHF. You go click on that, and therefore only those 4 assets are displayed for you. So down below you have the information how many accounts are currently profitable, non-profitable, funds won, funds lost, so on and so forth. These are not that important information, and the we can say currently open trades, total lots. So basically how positioned on the market are traders. So we can see in here that 23% of the traders are currently trading on Euro USD, 10.4% on GBP USD, so on and so forth. USD JPY 11.7%. You know what the drill is. Next one are news. So here you have the publications of some news from various websites, like mostly these are Market Watch, RTT News. I saw Daily FX, some under the Telegraph, so on and so forth. Basically you have the shortcuts to those websites where you can read some article like you have over here. So that's about it. We have the news, so of course you can customize it from which websites you want the news to be displayed over here, the notifications from the news. And next one is calculators. So here, apart from position size calculator, which we already discussed in the previous video on myfxbook, so basically we can calculate what kind of the lot size we need to take for every trade. Basically we are calculating the risk. So for example, we are trading on Euro USD. For a reminder quickly, our account is our currency, the currency of our account is Euro. So let's say we have 10,000 euros, and we have checked that we should only risk 30, let's say 40 pips for this particular transaction that we are making a calculation right now. And we are, for example, wanting to risk only 1% per trade. Trade lot size doesn't matter. Hit calculate, and down below you will have the information like the first thing, 1% of my account is 100 euros. How many units is that? And the position size I should take for this particular trade, which means 0.27 lots. Therefore, when the market will go 40 pips in the opposite direction, I will lose only 100 euros that I want to lose on that occasion. So the next calculator about which I want to talk about, which is also a very useful one, is a compounding calculator. So basically it will help you to digest. Either you want to keep the constant risk per trade. For example, if we have 10,000 and we want to risk 1% per trade for initial deposit, it will mean that through whole the lifespan of our account, I will be risking only 100 euros for every trade that I will take. But if we want to calculate how much, for example, I could earn if I would adjust the risk per my balance that will be changing over time, for example, each month I will recalculate my risk per trade. Therefore, we can use this calculator to know how much it would benefit us or how much we could use using this method. So let's say we have a starting balance of 1,000 euro. We will be trading for 12 months, for a whole year, so we have 12 periods. Each month we will be adjusting the risk percentage. And let's say we will be earning, I don't know, 5% per month. Let's say we will be earning each month by 5%. And let's hit calculate. So basically you have here information how our account will be changing over time if we will be adjusting our risk to the current account balance, which will mean after each month we'll be calculating 1% but from a different account balance. So basically it will calculate you how much you will earn. So if we will compound over a year, we could earn $1,710.34. So you can see compounding might have some pros, but you need to also remember that it has some cons, and this calculator will help you to decide whether you want to do it or not. Okay, that is all as for the Chrome extension, those calculators and the tools. Next thing we have on the website, and this thing will be trading ideas. So we need to go to the charts tab, go to top charts, and for example, recently updated. You have a couple more filters: most viewed, most agreed, most followed, but I want to check some, the most recent one, and we have maybe this one added 5 hours ago. And for example, here you have the description on the chart, the forecast, where he will be taking take profits, so on and so forth. You can also discuss this scenario with this trader if you have some further questions. So the next tool is a candlestick chart patterns filter. So basically we go to the market tab and patterns button, and here we have the list of all of the candlestick chart patterns that are filtering markets in real time. So it is also available to for a customization. We have the time frames. Let's say we will stay at 4-hour time frame, because the higher the time frame, the higher the probability of the candlestick chart pattern to work. And then we also can choose which currency pair, which assets we want to filter. So let's say we are also trading, we have GBP USD, USD CAD. We want to add also AUD, NZD, and gold. Where is gold? XAU USD. Okay. And we also have the candlestick chart patterns which are filtering the charts. So let's say hide all, and I'm only trading, I don't know, let's say Dodgy Star. Abandoned Baby is mostly on the stocks, on the stock charts. High 5, let's say, and Marubozu, just for an example. And right here we have this filter added on the tool. So basically the 4-hour time frame, which means that not often those charts will appear, but yeah, if they appear, they are more likely to succeed. And of course, the description of this chart pattern that you are interested in, you have available when you drag your mouse pointer on this eye icon. So you have the Dodgy Star, an explanation, and of course the examples how it looks. And the last feature I want to talk about on myfxbook is the feature that helps you to verify any trader. So basically, as I said previously, that you can connect your account to this web service in order to verify your performance. So basically, there are many social trading, copy trading services that lets you copy other traders, and the myfxbook helps you to verify those traders independently, therefore by connecting their accounts to this web services. So this is a good way for traders to be more transparent in front of the clients, and basically it will help you to digest those scammers from the real traders. So yeah, how to do it? I will show you on example of my account, because I had some time ago an account that was connected over here. So maybe we can check on this example. This is some old account from 2 years ago. Okay, so we are on my account, and here you have on the left side the information that the name of the trader, that the account is real, the currency of the account, which is the euro, the broker, leverage, and the platform MetaTrader 4, because in this account I was still using MetaTrader 4. And here you have those verification tickers, and you see that the account is verified over here on the green, and this one is not verified. Basically, I didn't know how to do it. I tried to do it according to the instruction, but basically I wasn't able to untick this checkbox. Also, I wrote to the myfxbook themselves, but they just decided to ignore my message. It doesn't matter, it's not important over here, but the important are the stats, which are over here. So basically here you can check the history of all of the trades. You can see the ticker of the transaction, the duration, so on and so forth. All the info you can analyze, browse them basically in whichever way you want. You have, for example, things like the duration of the trades. You can see that majority of my trades were into, I don't know, lasted a week or two, and yeah, it happened that some of them lasted even 68 days. And here what is important is that firstly, as I said, this verification tickers, and the second thing is that you can analyze this trader's history, you know, from the left to the right, from the up to the down, so on and so forth. You have also this customization button on the right side here, those three dots, which you can also customize the data that are displayed for you in order to digest either this trader is legit or not, and what the strategy is he using, so on and so forth. So basically this tool helps you analyze throughout the trader's account, and then to have a better view on his strategy, to therefore decide either you want to copy him or not. And yeah, I think that would be all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.